Our standard end clamp has a really cool design. If you look, the bottom part of the clamp that engages with the rail has kind of an L shape to it. This is designed specifically to not only rock into the rail and also bond. You can see little bonding pins in there. So you have their UL listing on there. But the cool feature of this is once you lock this in, you can install this all the way up to the end of the rail. So a lot of other racking manufacturers want 1.5 inches, 2 inches sometimes of the end clamp because there's such little engagement here. This allows you to install all the way to the end of the rail. As long as your end clamp piece is not sticking out of the rail and you're inside, you're okay. So very nice design, super simple and kind of mistake proof as long as you're inside the rail. You have multiple options of deck or rafter. This one specifically is the Ultra Foot anchor. Down here we have the Ultra Foot deck. But another thing that's very unique about this product is we put the rail assembly on the front where it is above the anchor point. So it's a stronger position of the rail and also allows you to get at the bolt from the back side. So you have strong rail in the front, you have this design so that you could still attach your foot with your bit going through there and it's not going to interfere. And then this is why we put the bolt on the back side so you have easier access for leveling when you're laying down modules. You do your best you can with leveling rail before you lay down modules, but sometimes you get these little uneven surfaces here. And so now you can get quick, easy access to the bolt here, and you can loosen this and raise it till you need to, tighten it, and now you're nice and level and you have easy access instead of going underneath. You have that easy access to the bolt, the rail's in its strongest position, and you're good to go.